5 tips to manage your time amidst COVID-19 lockdown. The present coronavirus global pandemic has caused immense uncertainty and waged a war against mankind. Even as cases have spread to over 200 countries and nearly 40,000 individuals have succumbed to complications caused by the virus, it is still weeks before things return to normal. In the meanwhile, responsible companies have understood people's fear over their physical health and rolled out mandatory work from home arrangements. Of course, work from home is well in tune with social distancing and self-quarantine. Each of which is necessary to flatten the coronavirus curve. However, there is a reason why office spaces exist in the first place. Else, everyone should have worked from home, and it can get difficult to manage time well from the home desk. However, as it turns out, all it takes is a few adjustments. Here are some tips or 5 ways to manage time effectively during the current lockdown period. First one, communicate effectively. Keep the communication with your bosses, managers, and colleagues crystal clear. It is best to set daily goals and share it with them. And of course, let them know if you are unable to complete a task. A good way to kick off the days is to schedule a brief call with your team. Divide your day into chunks. Your day in office probably went a bit like this: a meeting followed by a lunch or a coffee break, and then on to another meeting. At home, you are likely to work long hours at a stretch without a break. This does not help boost productivity at all. Instead, you lose concentration and feel fatigued and sluggish. Therefore, divide your day's work into chunks with small power breaks in between. Each time you resume work, you are refreshed. Reconnect. Thank heaven for the internet. With more time on your hands, as work from home obviously saves travel time. There is a lot you can focus on before and after work. At the same time, self-isolation from friends and family may make you lonely. So it is a good idea to use the power of 4G and video calling to connect with people close and reconnect with the not so close. Also, as many employees live with their respective families, it is a great opportunity for family bonding. Upskill. No pressure here, but isn't now a great time to evaluate your present skill sets and perhaps strive for more? That way, when you are back to office, people will be impressed at how much you have improved, and your bosses will admire your increased productivity. As you are not as busy as usual, there are so many online training courses and certification that you can go for, especially those that you have previously abandoned due to lack of time. And the last one, take care. This is the most important tip. Love yourself. It's a tough, stressful, almost debilitating time, and that is not going to change overnight. Here is where mental, emotional, and physical well being become important. All this will keep you productive at work and positive in outlook, while work from home often keeps people in their jammies, and there is nothing wrong with that. One must exercise around work, timing, and definitely catch up on hobbies and passions that help relieve stress and build character. You could read books, gardening, learn a musical instruments, etc., or maybe even engage in a heartfelt conversation with your spouse. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for continuous support.